Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Plugged-in power, remove external drives, and remember the last install or update you ran. Once done, prepare a Windows 11 USB recovery stick, 8 GB+, because you'll need recovery tools. Now boot into WinRe using the hardware key or the USB, then pick Troubleshoot. This gets you to the tools that fix boot issues. Make sure to work methodically. Rushing can lose data, so pause if prompts ask about startup repair or system restore choices. Once in Troubleshoot, choose Startup Repair first. Let Windows attempt automatic fixes because it can resolve common boot loop loops. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, and bootrex/rebuild to repair boot records. These commands rewrite and rebuild what controls Windows startup. After that, run sfc/scano and chkdskc/f/r to repair system files and disk errors. Make sure to wait. Disk checks can take time and interrupt if repairs don't stop the loop. Use System Restore to roll back to a working point or uninstall recent updates from WinRe. This often undoes the offending change. If still stuck, back up your files using the command prompt or USB and perform Reset This PC or a clean install from your USB as a last resort. Finally, if problems persist, record error messages and boot logs because specific codes guide advanced troubleshooting or professional help. Make sure you provide those when asking for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.